A warm welcome to Abode Diaries. Having an organized home is not a one time task, it's a never ending process. In today's video, I am sharing few ideas to organize daily used items and hide the clutter from visible places. I have dedicated this rack to my squirrel to keep all her stuff like her notebook, pencil, colors, toys, etc. However, to organize all these things neatly, I am keeping this basket over here so that all this stuff will not be visible and the space will not look like a cluttered space.
Pack our bags and get in that car. Leave a little note and we'll drive real far.
Using an organizer, it always becomes easy to make any space tidy and visually appealing. As you can see, I have also placed another basket down here to keep all her kitchen toys.
Back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take.
We all keep the coins in our home for several usage. Usually we keep them hidden in a bowl or cup or in a small purse or pouch, but that is not easily accessible and also doesn't look nice. So for that we can either hide them in a drawer at the entrance of house or keep them in this type of beautiful small pot.
It's a bright. Pack our bags and get in that car. Leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out.
And now we can showcase it anywhere in the living room.
Yeah, the countryside is so pretty with the wind blowing in your hair.
It has become convenient now to keep the coins or use the coins.
Don't you understand that we only get one life?
For a bigger area, we use separate tools for separate spaces to keep our home always fresh and clean for the convenience. But it is also important to keep them all at the right place so that they can be grabbed easily and are not visible anywhere in front. To provide a room for this cleaning brush, I have chosen this puffy. One can choose other spaces also as per their convenience or interior, like under the sofa or inside the TV cabinet.
That we only get one life. I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my.
These are all my daughter's hair accessories. She has started taking the interest in this lately. But there are different types of accessories like rubber bands, hair clip, clutches, beads, etc. And it takes a lot of time every morning to find them through all this mess. So to manage them in a better way, I am using this kind of box which has separators inside. Now I can separate each type of items and organize them properly.
The curative on my page 널 좋아하나 봐 널 사랑하나 봐 이제는 더 이상은 숨길 수 없잖아 내일 더 아껴줄 거야 안아줄 거야 We're meant to be
I am placing it here within her reach so that she can easily choose and pick them. As I told you that I have designated this rack to my daughter only.
네가 좋아 무지개 빈 하늘을 봐또 푸르른 하늘과 Silver lining in the clouds 좋아하나 봐.
I love burning the scented candles and using essential oils for a nice fragrance.
하나 내일 더 아껴줄 거야. 안아줄 거야.
I am using this cute little trolley to collect all the essential oil bottles in it.
다가갈 거야.
To make my dining table clutter free and open, I am hiding this caddy over here behind these boxes. So this way I am secretly utilizing this behind space. Basically, the whole idea is to find the items immediately when needed without making them visible. Very easily, I can take them out and put them back.
'Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
We often get some papers, prescriptions, bills, or coupons which are used only for 1 or 2 times and they are not meant for long term use. So I don't put them in a folder and keep them safely in the closet. Instead, I hide them right here under the dining table cover so that when I go out or go for shopping, I can pick them up from here. It actually depends on us how we use these little hidden places.
Oh my sweet baby. And I think to myself, and I'm thinking out loud.
These are all the essential items that I want to keep on my bedside table. But again, without any organizer, it all seems chaotic. So, consider using a small basket to organize them nicely and hide the clutter.
Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
Now they are all hidden but also within my reach. When I suffer from back pain, I use this heat pad. But these wires don't look nice. Therefore, I thought of hiding this heating pad behind this pillow and this wire in this gap between bed and side table permanently. So now when I need to use it, I can switch it on here and use it without doing any efforts. My squirrel is very fond of arts and crafts and painting. She loves drawing and coloring. I have set this particular place for her to sit and do these fun activities so that if something spills, I can clean it easily. After she finishes her work, I hide these color palettes here in this TV cabinet by using this basket near to her activity area. This way she can easily pick and use them because it is just in front of the eyes but hidden also. Always try to keep the items mostly in those places where they are used the most. I shall see you in my next video. Till then, please keep on watching my other videos on Abode Diaries. Bye.